Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and while I absolutely love a bold pink lip, I hate a messy bold pink lip. So this MAC lip pencil in the shade Magenta has helped me to avoid the latter. It sharpens really well to the perfect size fine tip. The color is this just right shade of this medium purplish pinkish color. It defines my lips so well and so precisely, and it pairs in such an excellent way with my punchy pink lipstick. It works so well for providing that clean pink lip look that I'm going for, and it also prevents the color from bleeding outside of my lip line. I've also noticed that this lip liner provides great staying power. So even if my lipstick wears off throughout the day, even if I wipe my lips with a napkin, this lip liner stays behind and leaves some color. A fun pink lip is one of my favorite lip looks to wear for special occasions or for during the summertime, and now I can wear it confidently thanks to this MAC lip liner in the shade Magenta. And that's my point of view.